Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with dYdX to trade crypto, full guide step by step clearly. To register with dYdX and start trading crypto, begin by visiting the official dYdX website. Look for the Get Started button on the home page and click on it. You will be redirected to a new page for account creation. Select the option to create a new account. Provide your email address and create a secure password. Ensure your password is strong by using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After filling out the registration form, read and accept the terms of service. Click the Sign Up button to proceed. Check your email for a verification link from dYdX. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once your email is verified, return to the dYdX website and log in using your credentials. For enhanced security, consider setting up two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet, like MetaMask or Ledger. Ensure your wallet is compatible and has sufficient funds for trading. Once your wallet is connected, navigate to the trading interface. Familiarize yourself with the available markets and trading pairs. Make sure to explore the platform's trading features, such as limit and market orders. If you're new to trading, consider using the tutorial resources available on the site. Start with small trades to get comfortable with the platform. Monitor your trades and adjust your strategies as needed. Always keep up to date with market trends and news for informed trading decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.